Techno Industrial Products offers 2016 series 3-way L-port ball valve and SS304 material. All of these series are manufactured as per ASTM B16.34 standard, and we are committed to provide best quality at affordable price. These valves are widely used in high-quality demanding industry such as pharma, dairy, edible oil, sugar, paper, etc., heavy-duty industrial boiler and dryers, HVAC system, irrigation industry, compressed air and gas systems, and pneumatic fixtures, etc., and much more you can think of. Image shows working of the ball valves. As you can see, the valve have 3 ports and have option to work either of the outlet ports. Such valves are used as diverting valve, where one media is diverted from one port to another port, which is also showed in its working. Available in various sizes to support your working. Thanks for watching.